Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gumtree how to delete ad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Gumtree app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the My Gumtree app icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and on tapping it here, what you need to do is you'll be seeing your My Ads section. Now here, find the ad you want to delete, and then tap on the three dots or the option button next to the ad. Then on tapping it, you'll be seeing an option that says delete ad. Simply tap on that and then confirm to delete your ad. And once you have done that, your ad will no longer be visible to buyers. On desktop, you can log into your Gumtree account, click on your profile icon on the top right and select My Ads. Find the ad you want to delete, then click the delete button next to the ad, then confirm your deletion. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.